Can you show Mommy your Bob the Builder hat?
No.
Oh, I see that you have your belt on. Where are your tools?
In my toolbox.
In your toolbox?
Yeah.
Oh, can I see? Show Mommy what's in there. Let me see. I can't see. Who gave those to you? I think Alex and Henry.
Good job, everybody. Let's start.
What's your very favorite present?
These.
The tools and the tool belt?
Yeah.
In your toolbox?
Look at where are these?
That's where you hang your tools. Do you like Christmas?
I got to put the tool back.
Oh yeah, that's right. Put your tools back. This is Johnny's tool. And Johnny's just laying here very contentedly playing with Will's new toothbrush. Yeah. Okay, we'll look over here. Ooh. What's in there?
Oh.
I like it. Can you try on your hat for me?
Okay, I guess. Hey, I forgot one of the bear microphone.
Oh yeah, your other favorite present is your microphone, isn't it?
My Bob the Bear microphone.
Bob the Builder microphone. Too bad Santa forgot to bring batteries. We'll have to get some today on the way to Grandma's house.
Bob the Bear battery.
Yeah, what does Bob the Builder sing about? What's your favorite toy Santa brought you? The microphone. And what's your favorite toy from...
The Bob the Bear microphone.
Oh yeah, the Bob the Builder microphone. What were you telling us to call you last night? What was your name last night when we were having dinner?
Bob.
Bob. You said, don't call me Will, call me Bob, right? What do you want to be called today?
Bob.
Want us to call you Bob today?
What?
You want us to call you Bob again today?
No. Bob the Bear.
Oh, Bob the Builder. Okay. All right. Well, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.